Welcome to today's guided meditation for stress relief. In this meditation, we'll aim to nurture a profound sense of inner peace and tranquility. If you're with us for the first time, you might like to start with the first meditation in our series that focuses on mindfulness and clarity. Click on the card above to see all videos in our meditation series. Find a comfortable, quiet space where you won't be disturbed, and we'll begin. Centering breath. Start by sitting or lying down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with soothing air. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. Let each breath connect you with the present moment, bringing a sense of calm and tranquility. Grounding visualization. Imagine yourself in a serene oasis. Picture a beautiful garden filled with vibrant flowers, lush greenery, and a gentle stream flowing nearby. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, and hear the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze. As you breathe, visualize roots extending from your body into the rich soil, grounding you to the earth. Sense the stability and support that nature provides, creating a profound connection to the present moment. Positivity. As we delve into this meditation, let's shift our focus to positive thoughts and moments of happiness. Recall a specific memory that brings you joy. It could be a serene sunset, a laughter-filled moment, or a personal achievement. Allow the warmth and positivity of that memory to fill your mind. Embrace the positive energy and let it counteract any lingering stress. In this mental oasis, let happiness be your guide, illuminating the path to tranquility. Perspective. As we delve deeper into this stress relief meditation, let's explore the empowering practice of putting stress into perspective. In the canvas of our lives, stress often appears as a temporary shadow, and it's essential to recognize it's temporary. Take a moment to acknowledge any stressors that may be weighing on your mind. Instead of viewing them as insurmountable mountains, consider the broader landscape of your life. Are these stressors merely pebbles on your path, or are they stepping stones guiding you towards growth? By putting stress into perspective, we begin to see that challenges are opportunities for resilience and learning. Embrace the broader picture of your journey, realizing that stress, like passing clouds, will clear. You hold the brush to paint a serene landscape on the canvas of your life, and each stressor is but a stroke in the masterpiece of your resilience. Stress relief. Consider incorporating stress relief into your daily routine. Prioritize moments of self-care, whether it's through a brief nature walk, mindful breathing exercises, or setting aside time for activities that bring you joy. Practice gratitude, reflecting on the positive aspects of your life. Consider sharing your thoughts and feelings with a trusted friend or journal. As we're about to do, embrace the power of positive affirmations to counter stress, reminding yourself of your strength and resilience. By integrating these stress relief practices, you will enhance the impact of this meditation, fostering a holistic approach to well-being. Affirmation. Now, repeat a powerful affirmation. I release tension with every breath, inviting calm into my being. Feel the strength and truth behind these words. You are resilient, and stress does not define your experience. Breath awareness and counting. Shift your focus back to your breath. Inhale deeply, letting the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly, releasing any residual stress. As you breathe, count each breath, starting from 1 and going up to 10. This rhythmic counting creates a sense of order, calming the mind and providing a structured focus during stressful moments. Closing breath. As we conclude this stress relief meditation, take a few deep breaths, inhaling tranquility and exhaling any remaining stress. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this newfound sense of calm and control with you. Thank you for joining in this stress relief meditation. If you enjoyed this meditation, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. See you in the next session of our meditation series. May your day be filled with positivity and joy.